Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If I told you that a war happening thousands of kilometers away could affect your IT job, your on-site opportunity, or even your salary hike, we usually think wars only impact soldiers and governments, but the truth is the IT industry is deeply connected to global stability. Today, let's talk about how ongoing wars are silently reshaping the IT world. Before getting into the video, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit like if you like this video. And share your valuable feedback in comment section. I'm happy to learn from you. Let's get into the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
The IT industry is global. Companies in the US hire developers from India. European banks depend on cloud teams in Asia. Startups use servers hosted across continents. When war happens between major regions, supply chains break. Internet infrastructure gets attacked. Data centers become targets. Sanctions block business transactions. And suddenly, projects get delayed, budgets get frozen, hiring slows down. Here's what we're already seeing. Hiring slows down. Companies pass recruitment due to economic uncertainty. Number 2, project delays. International clients hold budgets until the situation stabilizes. Number 3, on-site opportunities reduced. Visa processing, travel restrictions and security concerns increase. Number 4, cost cutting, layoffs or reduced salary hikes in some regions. But wait, it's not all negative. During war, cyber attacks increase massively. Governments and corporations face ransomware attacks, data breaches, infrastructure hacking, AI-powered cyber threats. This leads to a huge demand for cybersecurity experts. So while some IT domains slows down, cybersecurity, cloud security, and AI security are booming. If you're in IT, this is a signal to upskill. Wars create uncertainty in physical infrastructure, so companies move operations to cloud platforms, distributed data centers, remote teams. Remote work becomes even more important. Countries like India benefit because skilled workforce, lower operational cost, stable IT infrastructure. This means offshore work may increase in certain sectors. Wars increase fuel prices, inflation, global market volatility. When markets become unstable, startups struggle with funding, tech investment slows down, IPOs get postponed, so freshers may find job market slightly tougher temporarily, but remember tech always rebounds. Now let's talk in opportunity angle. Every crisis creates new tech needs. After every major global disruption, digital transformation accelerates, automation increases, AI adoption grows, cybersecurity budgets rise. If you upgrade skills, learn AI tools, strengthen cloud knowledge, understand cybersecurity basics, you won't just survive, you'll grow. The future IT industry will focus on cyber defense, AI-driven intelligence, secure cloud architecture, geographically distributed tech teams. Global companies will reduce dependency on single regions. Multi-country IT strategy will become the norm. Lastly, war creates uncertainty, but technology adapts faster than any other industry. The real question is not will war affect IT? The question is, are you prepared for the new IT world? If you found this useful, share this with someone working in IT and subscribe for more career focused insights. See you in another interesting topic. Until then, take care. Bye.
What's wrong?